Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to safely fill an anesthetic machine with isoflurane. We have two types of anesthetic vaporizers, one that has two different types of adapters to fill. One is a keyhole fill, which looks like this with the two holes, and it can only fit into a keyhole adapter vaporizer. The second is a pour fill, where you can see the little nozzle that will attach or to pour into the vaporizer. Looking at the isoflurane bottle, you'll notice that there are two notches on the bottle. One is a little bit wider than the other. Please ensure when you're placing the adapter on the isoflurane bottle that you line up the correct sizes of notches as to prevent spilling of the isoflurane. Slide it on and then twist until tight. The first one I'm going to demonstrate is the pour fill vaporizer. This one here, you open up by twisting it counterclockwise until you can pull the adapter off. You will then take the lid off the nozzle, place the nozzle over the hole of the vaporizer, and gently pour the isoflurane in while keeping an eye on the isoflurane window right here on the vaporizer. And you will fill it until the liquid meniscus is just below the fill line, the full line. Please be careful to not overfill the vaporizer. If you do, this could lead to a spill. Now I am replacing the cap on the nozzle. I'm taking the adapter, placing it back on the vaporizer, turning it clockwise until tight and secure. Please note that I have the isoflurane filled just below the full line. Next will be the keyhole adapter. So same idea, I need to line up the little adapters on the sides and turn it until it's tight and secure. The plug will be in the ends of the holes here, so we'll just pull that down so it's ready to be used. Note that there's a small hole and a larger hole that we will have to line up in this other type of vaporizer. For this, we will still be keeping an eye on the isoflurane window as we're filling. And what we're going to do is the keyhole adapter will insert into this spot here. To take the plug out, you turn the top screw counterclockwise and then remove the plug. If you look inside the vaporizer filler, you'll notice that there are two holes. You want to ensure that the holes line up with these holes on the isoflurane filler. I'm going to slide that in. And now I need to ensure that I lock it in place as to prevent any leaking. So I'm going to turn the knob clockwise, finger tight, and usually just pull on it to make sure that it's not going to pull out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the isoflurane bottle upside down. You'll notice that there's bubbles coming out, which means that it's filling. And if you need it to go slower, just put it horizontal. And I'm just going to fill it until it's just below that line there, the full line. When I'm done, notice that I have the isoflurane bottle horizontal, and now it's back to vertical. I'm going to unlock the key, so loosen that again. I will pull the isoflurane adapter out, place it on the floor so I do not spill it. And now I will replace the key and turn the lock clockwise again to lock it. This prevents any isoflurane from leaking out of the vaporizer. Now I will close the adapter on there just to prevent it from breaking. Then I'm going to take the adapter off and replace the isoflurane with its proper cap so no isoflurane will leak out of the bottle. If you have any further questions on this, you can refer to the SOP in the clinic at the college. And please note that you should not be filling any anesthetic machines with the isoflurane if you are pregnant or if anybody at your clinic is within your vicinity.